Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2015 Chrysler 300. On this Chrysler 300, I'm going to show you how to be able to open up the trunk, the manual method to open up the trunk, because there is no power to the vehicle. This is the button you hit to power or make the actuator work to open up the trunk from the outside. There's one on the inside, or the key fob. But if you have no power to the vehicle, that will not function. And so there is a manual access way to be able to get to open up the trunk because your battery is in the trunk. So what you would do is you'd come to either one of your back doors. You may have to use the manual key function to open up the doors, unlock them if the battery is completely dead. Then you're going to come back here. We have this little pull tab here, and that is what unlocks the little lock that keeps your back seats mounted in there. And then you're going to see right in there, that will generally glow in the dark, but that's the little lever that we need to crawl back in there to be able to open up this trunk. There we go. And that's all you got to do is pull that, and then your trunk will open. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.